Assalamu alaikum. Here is Hina with English news. First headlines. Pak honored to host World Environment Day. Prime Minister Imran Khan termed it an honor for Pakistan to host World Environment Day, saying that it was during their KP government tenure when they decided to plant 1 billion sapling. Government can't lift COVID-19 restriction until all citizens get vaccinated. SAPM. Special Assistant of Prime Minister on Health Dr. Faisal Sultan said that the coronavirus restriction will not be eased till all citizens are vaccinated against COVID-19. UN report says inclusive wealth on the rise in Pakistan. Inclusive wealth, a measure of Pakistan's prosperity and sustainability that accounts for social, economic, and environmental factors, has been on the rise constantly since 1992. Sheikh Rashid inaugurates first passport office in North Waziristan. Interior Minister Sheikh Rashid inaugurated the first passport office in Miramshah during his visit to North Waziristan, besides promising provision of Nadra mobile van and more passport office in the area. This is the end of today's English news. Stay tuned with CID News Network Islamabad. Take care and goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.